Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This is lecture 9 of our vocabulary series. Let's get into the video. The first root word is ethno. The meaning of ethno is nation, people, culture and also group. First one, ethnagogue. Ethnagogue means a person who leads a nation. He is an ethnagogue. Ethnarch. Here you can find two root words, ethno plus arch. Arch means related to governance. So this means the meaning of ethnarch is governor of a nation. Next, ethnarchy, which means the dignity or office of an ethnarch. Next one, ethnicism. Ethnicism means it belongs to an ethnic group. Next, ethnocracy. Cracy means it is a form of governance. So ethnocracy means government by an ethnic group or race. Government ruled by a particular group. Next, ethnic, pertaining to a defined group of people. Ethnology. Logy means that is related to study. So ethnology means science of people and races. Next, ethnocentric. Centric means ethnocentric, focusing on ethnicity of people. That is called ethnocentric. The next root word for today is funct, F-U-N-C-T, which means perform work. Bifunctional. Here the two root words, bi plus functional. Bi means two. So bifunctional means which is having two functions. Next one, defunction. D plus function. That means death, which was unable to function. Next, dysfunction. Disturbance in the function of an organ. That means malfunctioning, which is not working properly. Next, functional. Having a practical application. Functionalist. Who works according to. He is called a functionalist. Functionalize. To make something or someone functional. Functor. Someone or something that performs an activity. Both functionalist and functor are same. Next, malfunction. Mal plus function. Fail to work correctly. If any machine which is not working properly, it is malfunctioning. Multifunction. Multi plus function. Multi means more than two, fulfilling many functions. Non-functional. Not able to perform the function, not able to do the work. So that is non-functional. Next, perfunctorily. In a set manner without serious attention. That means doing work without any seriousness. Perfunctoriness means carelessness. The next root word is hetero, which means different, other. The antonym for hetero is homo. Homo means same. First one, heterogeneous, hetero plus genus, which is made of unrelated parts or different parts, is called heterogeneous. Next, heterarchy. Government ruled by aliens, not by common people, is called heterarchy. Next, heteratomic. Consisting of atoms of different kinds. Heterogeneous, having more than one host. Next one, heterobiography. Biography means about one person's life. Heterobiography means a biography written by another person as opposed to an autobiography. That means heterobiography is opposite to autobiography. Next, heterocarpous. Producing fruits of different kinds is called heterocarpous. Next, heterochiral. Chiral means related to hands, which means identical form but in lateral inversion. Right and left hand. So right and left hand are like mirror. If you put your right hand in front of mirror, you can see similar to left hand. So that is called heterochiral. Next, heterochromatic. Chromatic means related to color. Possessing more than one color is called heterochromatic. Next, heterodont. Don't means related to teeth. Hetero means having teeth of different kinds or forms. Next, heterodyne, relating to the combination of two different radio frequencies. Heterogenesis. Genesis means origin. Origination of living being otherwise than from a parent of same kind. Heteronyms. Words with same spellings but different meanings is called heteronyms. That's all for today. Thank you.